Hi there, I'm just showing you my new project, which is icing sheet. It's been printed with the glitter on the printer, and then I've cut happy birthday out of it, and I'm going to show you how to put this on the cake. If you have a look, it's all glitter sheet and it's fully edible. And what you do is you get another sheet of plastic, tip it upside down, and gently peel the happy birthday away. Go steady with this because you don't want to rip your icing sheet. Once that's peeled away, any eyes, just take those off for now. Put that to one side for a moment. Then get your cake. Mine's a dummy cake, and please excuse the outer edges. I just use this for videoing. And get, I use plenty kitchen roll and slightly dampen it. Wet all your cake. Just slightly dampen it to where the letters are going. And then take your sheet, flip it over, and gently place it where you want it to go. I do one side first and then the other, so it looks like that. I'll put the eye on there, which is going there. Oops. And then just tap it down. You can do this on the side of a cake, on the top like this, and there you go. You've got your happy birthday on the cake. Thanks for watching, and if you want to order anything like this, I'm going to be putting it online later, and you can make your own wording up, and there's plenty of glitter sheets and rose gold. There's any colour that you like on there. And thanks for watching. Please leave me a thumbs up.